Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On this week's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY whipped frosting for the lips. I created this specifically to help plump up the lips, but also to add more hydration to the skin of the lips. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin making this formula today, I will be adding some shea butter to my beaker. Shea butter is packed full of important nutrients, which is good for the skin and the lips. Next, I will be adding some jojoba oil. This is a great ingredient. It is rich in fatty acids, and it helps to provide hydration to the skin. To the jojoba oil, I'll be adding some castor oil. This is known as a humectant, and what that does is it helps to retain the moisture in the skin. So now that these ingredients have been added, it's time to cover and gently heat this on the stove at the lowest setting until everything is completely melted. So here you can see all the ingredients have melted. I'm allowing this to sit and cool down to room temperature before I place it in my freezer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what I'm left with. It's not completely hardened, but does have some hardening to it. I will be adding my essential oil, which is going to be peppermint. This helps with the plumping of the lips, but also has a really good flavor to it as well. After adding that peppermint essential oil, it's time for me to go ahead and mix this all together with my mixer. And this just helps to create that nice whipped frosting appearance. After whipping for a few minutes, here is what my product looks like. As you can tell, it's got kind of a lotiony, creamy texture to it, and this is exactly what you want. Alrighty, time to go ahead and put my whipped frosting into my container, and I will be using this glass jar. So I've gone ahead and applied this to my hand. I feel like applying this here gives you a good look of what it looks like, the consistency, as well as how it goes on. Now, to use this for the lips, just like you would any body butter, you're going to apply it and let it absorb into the skin, and there you go. That's all you have to do. So here's the formula that I used to create this whipped frosting for the lips. Also included here is going to be substitutions, and I hope you enjoyed creating this as much as I did. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.